y'all. I already started, but okay. I'm doing this clip. Look at my skin. Hold up.
Wake up. Gotta get this paper, get this makeup. Gotta do my hair, gotta put on makeup.
Okay. I'm using this clay mask. It smells good. Usually they don't, like, these don't smell good. Especially if you mix it with, like, apple cider vinegar. Then, oh my god. But I already started it. It's cute. Look at my skin. Look at my skin. Ignore that. It's broken a little bit. Okay. Ignore the background. I'm trying to give me some tapestry. And let me talk real quick. Like a lot. Okay. Uploaded my first video yesterday. That was not my first video I recorded though. Like, okay. Let me start talking a lot. Now, I already recorded like 5 videos and I've been editing them. The first video is like 40 minutes of editing and all of that. I backed my phone up to the iCloud and now I can't get them back down from it. I don't know how that happened. Like, I backed it up so I can get storage. I didn't delete the videos because I needed them for iMovie. So now it's just sitting in iMovie, like downloading from the iCloud. Now I'm not waiting on it no more. I'm just about to start because I wanted to wait to upload it, but it will be old. So if it does ever come back, I will upload it, and y'all know the video I'm talking about because I'm gonna just tell y'all. Anyway, now next subject, my camera. Lord, it's really it's a video camera and a picture camera, but I think it's more of a picture camera. It says the card is full. It may be possible to take more pictures at a lower image quality or size. So first of all, with that, okay. This my dad gave it to me because he had it for work and he don't use it no more. He gave it to me as a birthday present, and I'm grateful. So I said, oh, that's a bet, because he don't know he did. I've been trying to start YouTube for a minute. He didn't know that, but he don't know he did, because now it's mine. But I think this 8+ camera is alright. So that's what I'm gonna be using for a minute. But I'm upgrading my phone anyway, so I guess it's gonna get better. Yeah, I love to talk, so listen to me. Alright, but while I do this, I guess I'm gonna just intro to my channel. So like a Q&A, but without y'all asking questions. I'm gonna just make up questions. I'm gonna just tell y'all what I want y'all to know right now, and along my channel line, y'all could just learn about me, I guess. So hey, hey guys, my name is Cynthia. Why did I say my last name? My name is Cynthia. I came up with my Cyncess username because I'm a princess. I like to think of myself as a princess, and I just need to learn how to treat myself like one. I'm 16 years old, born in April. Aries gang, Aries. I'm almost done with this, so let me just get close up. Okay. I've been doing this for about maybe like 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm just raking it through with my fingers. I like to do that. I heard the little debate about which one is better, like detangling brush, comb, or finger detangling, and I think it's both, but I like finger detangling. Cause I use a wide tooth comb in the shower, and I haven't been using like detangling stuff, unless unless I'm like trying to do a slick back or a slick up. I say slick up, a slick back or a puff, so it could be real slick, you know. That's the only reason like I would do it for real now. Or if I wanted shrinkage, because no, like usually you don't use a Denman brush for a style that you don't want shrinkage in. So that's that. And I'm not gonna make this video too long too. I'm gonna do clips so I can actually have, I won't have a long video that I have to edit. And then if it mess up like my first one, then I have to do it again or something. So I am done with this. Y'all can't really see. So I'll go ahead and make another video of it all done. It says leave in, where is it at? On dry hair before shampooing, apply the mask to the hair section by section, making sure to cover the full head. Leave on up to 10 minutes to absorb excess oils and impurities. Rinse thoroughly and follow the clay and charcoal shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, I ain't got that. Cause oh my god, I saw it in the store. I saw it, but no, it was like really like watery. Yeah, it was watery. It didn't look like it was gonna lather. So I don't wanna get it, but now that I think about it, it probably would. I don't know. But, now for the talking part and the sitting part for 10 minutes. I'll wait for 20 minutes or something. I'm gonna add some more, like a finishing touch. I'm gonna use it again. It's a lot more in there. So it's the finishing touch amount. Just. It looks like that stuff that people be putting color on your hair for. I don't remember what it's called, but the little powder, hair powder, color powder. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be called. The color powder. But you know. Period. First of all, good morning, everybody. My morning. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but I'm gonna try to edit it and post it today. But I recently visited back to Maryland, where I used to live, and I left a couple things. One, I left my ring. Second, I left my white wide tooth comb. I use that like 24/7. So, but no, okay, what I was gonna say is that I left my MacBook charger. So I'm not getting on it because it was on 100%. I charged it all night and I accidentally left the charger. And so I'm just editing on my phone like I've been doing. But like I said, it lost my other videos when I tried to back up my phone. So so yeah. Long story short, I moved, so I'm going to a new school starting tomorrow. I feel like I should put some music in the background. Like, I feel weird. And it's morning time and I have bags under my eyes. Speaking of eyes, I wanted to try lashes. Before, I didn't want to try lashes because everybody was doing it. And I already have long lashes, like. I already have long lashes, so I don't really need them, but they're cute. So I'm gonna that's a video idea that I'm gonna try. I like to think of myself as funny. but not like fun, like make funny videos funny. I'm funny, like I just be around me and I'll say some funny stuff. Like if something happened, I'm gonna say some funny stuff about it on like accident. Like I could be serious about something and it's just funny. Usually I'll be talking up a store and have everything to talk about, but I don't know what to talk about. I already told y'all about my camera, so might trade it out if I can for like a Canon. Cause this is a, I do not know how to say this. How do you Nikon? 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 No, it's not Nikon. But yeah, I'm excited for my new start though. Like I'm excited to go back to school. I'm more excited because it's a new start and more new people, and I'm gonna start driving. I have to get my permit and my license when they do all the transactions stuff, and I take my test, and that's when I get it and I start driving. But I miss my wide tooth comb, like combs like these that are like too freaking close to each other is gonna rip out my hair. Do you see the texture? Do you? Like, that's why I like wide tooth. It is good. So I'm definitely gonna get that back, hopefully. But I already started looking for new ones, a new wide tooth comb. Like, please subscribe to me, please. But yeah, awkward pause. So tell me about you guys. Oh yeah, I had this idea and I had this schedule that I was gonna do for YouTube because I wanted to do it for a minute. I forgot. Oh, I'm sick. Oh yeah, Sundays I'll do vlogs because every Sunday morning I want to go to the waterfront and sit out there, write, do whatever, and just clear my head for the week. And if I need to go back there during the week, I will. Y'all think down in Maryland the weather is bipolar. Down here, it's sunny. It just started thundering. Oh man, I gotta wash this out. No. No. I gotta rinse it out, then wash it out. Like, this not even really a clay, like a clay mask. Like, it's not. It's like a moisturizing clay mask. Right. I tried to smell a product in there. They had a seal on it, so I couldn't smell it. But right when I lifted it up, an employee walked by. I just act like I didn't. I closed it right back like I didn't. I just peeled it up, smelled it, and then closed it. But, and what if I was trying to smell it? What was you gonna say to me? Ma'am, put that back. I'm buying. I'm the customer. It's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. I'm taking a nap after this. But yeah, I'm not gonna run this video too long. So let me go. shampoo. Look at my hair. It's cute. I don't know how to feel. Like it's real cute. I just gotta do something with it now, cause it's like soft and it smells good. So now I'm gonna do the sides and the front. Just finish. And I said it. Yeah, I did all this. I started from the bottom and worked my way up. Like I started from the back. But anyway, this is my hair. I don't know if y'all saw it back, but yeah.
Now take me as I am. Tell me I'm the best I am. I be feeling like yes I am. You know I'm the best I am. You be a fool to not take me as